Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I decided to do a part 2 of my last house hunt video. I'm in the same neighborhood. I'm in Pinewood Studios, and I just wanted to do a part 2 because I wasn't able to show you guys everything that I want to show you guys. So if you're interested in these house hunt videos, apartment hunts, whatever, if you like this whole HGTV, whatever, let me know in the comments down below and I'll keep them coming. But I don't want to ramble on too much. You know, we got a lot to show you guys. And yeah, so grab your popcorn and let's go ahead and get straight into the video. All right, you guys, so who's ready to see house number 1? This house is so cute to me from the outside, and then as soon as you walk in, first thing I noticed was the natural lighting, which is definitely a must-have. Oh my gosh, it's a must-have. I do love the fact that this floor plan is like a loft-style floor plan, which is something that I haven't been able to find yet. But now that I've seen it, I know that I need it. Like, I just need a loft-style home.
I'm stunned.
It's the double windows for me, you guys. It is the double windows for me. As I'm looking at these houses, I'm noticing most of them do have this super large sink, which is also a necessity. I love the countertops, this marble countertops, and the backsplash. They did an amazing job with the color palette and an amazing job with use of space throughout this house. As you head towards the back of the house, this is a restroom that your guests can use, and I love how it's a contrast in color. It went from light to really dark. This place is so cute. I need a picture. Okay, so as we head towards the back of the house, this is the master bedroom, and you guys, it is very small in size. Like, it's just not giving me master bedroom vibes. It's giving college dorm room. Like, I don't know what's going on. It has too many closets on the side of this dresser. However, behind the sliding door, this is the master bathroom. It comes with double sinks without a tub. It just has a standalone shower, which is something that I also like, a detached shower. This mirror is also huge. I can see myself taking good pictures, videos, tutorials, all that good stuff. Looking this way, it feels so big. I like it. Let's see what these are two. I already got the bathroom, but these are two.
Think somebody lives here?
I think somebody lives here.
This your house?
No.
Oh.
We about to have a hard time. We're like, we know this thing's set open.
It's open. I think this is just a staged one. Were you in the one next door or whatever that's not?
Not yet, but when we saw clothes in the closet, that's unusual.
I love this. Dad, this is why I need a loft. This is bedroom number 3, you guys. It does have one mini closet. However, it does overlook the living area downstairs. As you go through this hallway, it does have kind of like a Jack and Jill situation with sharing the bathtub, shower, and also the toilet. But this is bedroom number 3. They do look like they're similar in size. And then here's the hallway.
No, that's fine. No, that's okay. Thank you. We'll ask you down and then we'll decide on it. So we're currently in the Raven Lane location. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home. It was built last year. So what are your thoughts of this place?
Do you have a YouTube channel or something?
I do.
Yeah, she got.
What's your YouTube channel?
Do you like house videos and stuff? Just showing different houses.
Just in this area?
Atlanta area too.
We're trying to find her a home. So what are you thinking about this place?
Thank
Hi.
you. You want your luck to your day?
All right. Be safe.
Now that crazy lady out of here. I'm joking. So I love the architecture style of this home. I love that this home is like a loft feel because I'm torn between a house and a loft. So I really like how this house has like this overlook. I love the super tall ceilings and the windows and the fact that it's double windows. And just looking out and seeing the different style of architecture homes that's around this place just gives me so much inspiration and I love it. I also think this area right here is one of my favorites of this place as well. It's just, you know, another open space and they made good.
For dogs.
Yeah, for dogs, and they made good use out of this space.
Underneath the stairs.
Underneath the stairs, yes. There's a whole bunch of space underneath. This is actually a different place for the fridge. I would say the fridge is kind of, I didn't even see the fridge right here the first time.
Please tell them something about food. We are definitely in somebody's house.
We are definitely
We're in somebody's house. So they're trying to sell this house.
They're
this is somebody's home.
Sell it.
Come on, baby.
Washer and dryer.
We're literally in somebody's home right now.
Honestly, you guys, I really don't know what to say other than I really needed a picture. Okay, I needed a picture so bad. I felt like I looked cute. So my dad just had to get with the program today. Like I needed a good picture and we got one.
I can't live without
Me neither, not with our car. Okay. The cuckoo lady again has struck.
The lady has struck us again. This is the lady, y'all. She's sweet though.
She's sweet.
Ooh, this is a little bit more masculine. It's not doing it for me. Because they didn't stage it all the way. This seems so much bigger though. This bedroom is definitely bigger. I love a separate shower because we just like a separate shower. We love a separate shower. I love this bathroom in the mirror.
Ooh, I'm in the picture. Oh, hell no. That's gonna be edited for real. Take that out.
I love the bathroom mirror, the lighting in here. I think it's really clean. I like the color palette of this soft gray / green. And then this is the master bedroom. It is kind of small. These ones are empty. These ones do come with built-ins. I couldn't tell if the last one had built-ins like this. I don't think they did. I love seeing all those different types of houses outside.
Different shapes.
Yeah.
Sizes.
So these are 3 bedrooms. Oh, I love the outside though. So this place is definitely giving me more of a masculine type of feel, a masculine type of vibe. However, the staging of this house is just not doing it for me. It's not doing it for me like the last place did. Even though they look almost identical, can you tell the difference, Dad?
Not substantially, not substantively.
Say that word one more time.
Substantively.
Substantive.
In other words, if you just judge it by the substance of the home, it's not much difference. But they do have some sort of cowboy twang thing going on, like, you know.
Like the carpet, the red
carpet, like, yeah!
I like this chair. I do like these chairs. These are cute. I love these chairs. Alright, you guys, so we're down to the last house of the day, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. One thing that really caught my attention was these two huge circular windows. I'm in love with those two statement pieces. And you guys, I'm really just going to walk throughout the house because you pretty much see what it is that I'm seeing, so it's no need to really go into all that extra detail. But I do like the fact that this house is very spacious, much more spacious than the last two that I showed you guys, and it has great upgrades as well. I want to say this back room right here is the master bedroom. It does have these double doors to outside, but this is the master bedroom and it is downstairs. On this side of the master bedroom, it does lead you to the laundry room, but I'm gonna take you guys to this side over here, which is the closet in the bathroom. So the closet comes with built-ins, which is great. It is a decent sized closet space as well. As you go straight back to the back, this is the bathroom, the master bathroom. One thing that I would say is that I would have wanted for this house to have, a larger mirror, but I guess it's okay because of the natural lighting. But yeah, through this way, this is the laundry room and then a mudge room right here. So if you have guests coming in on this side, they can, take off their shoes and stuff. So that was like a full circle of downstairs, and then we're gonna go ahead and head upstairs. Okay, so as you get upstairs, this is another entertainment space for your guests, but I'm gonna take you guys over to this side and show you the second bathroom of this house. I don't think this house has a tub, so if you're just a shower person, if you just like, standalone showers, this would be perfect for you. This is the second bedroom as well, and the closet space is giving. Like the large ceilings definitely helps enlarge the space, but it's a decent sized bedroom. I would use this as something else probably. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys over to this side. Also, one thing about this house, it does have a lot of storage space. So here's two more closets, and they all come with built-ins, which is amazing. This is like the perfect little studio room. I love this room. It has such great lighting in here. And I just love the open concept. I love being able to see everything around me. And yeah, I love this place. There's one more bedroom. Okay. All right, so one more quick thing, you guys. Another great thing about this particular house, not only is it really spacious and open, but it also has really, really high ceilings, which is something that I love. High ceilings, great light, open floor plan. What more can you ask for? All right, so just a quick little recap. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, and it has 2 different living spaces or living areas or whatever you want to call it in this home. So this is the last bedroom. It is probably the smallest, I want to say. This is the bathroom, and it actually does have a tub, so I lied earlier. Behind this door, like I said, this house is unfinished. I don't know if they're planning on finishing it or not, but I would definitely use this space. I would add some walls in here and put like my storage or like some work stuff in here, or my ink stuff, or just clothes, whatever else stuff, storage I have. I would definitely put it in this space because it's not that bad, and it's actually very long, and like it's a lot of space, honestly, to just not use. So I would definitely make some use out of this space because it's kind of awkward as well, just from it being right by the bathroom. And this is the actual closet of the house. So, I would definitely finish that space because it is kind of awkward. And this is the attic right here. But yeah, let me know which house was you guys' favorites. This is the end. Hope you guys enjoyed. All right, so I'm ready to go. I'm starving. I'm hungry. I have to edit some videos. So yeah, this will probably be the last house. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which house was you guys' favorite. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.